Today we will do another theorem. Theorem 29, page number 288. The internal bisectors of angles of triangle are concurrent. অ্যাঙ্গেলের bisectors এর আগে আমরা করেছিলাম perpendicular bisectors. Today we will do bisectors of angles. They are concurrent. So figure should be in middle of the page. Now what is given? This part is given. What is given? Now ABC is a triangle and এখানে তিনটে internal bisectors হবে, but we will take two bisectors and other is passing through the point that we have to prove. So we take the internal bisectors of angle B and angle C. Okay, angle B or angle C are bisectors. They intersect at the point O. Okay, and AO is joined. Because AO is the bisectors, we have to prove that AO is the bisectors of angle A. Already we know BO and OC, these are the internal bisectors of angle B and angle C, and angle A and AO is the internal bisectors of angle A that we have to prove. And this triangle should be scalene. Don't draw it equilateral or isosceles. Always the triangle will be scalene triangle. Now what is our RTP to prove? This will be RTP required to prove. We have to prove that the internal bisectors of angle A, angle B and angle C are concurrent. That means here we have to show that AO is the internal bisectors of angle BAC. Now here we have some constructions. You can see here some extra diagrams. That means PO, OR, OQ. Okay, this is our constructions. So what is construction? Now OP is perpendicular on AB. আমরা ড্রয়িং করলাম OP কে, যেটা perpendicular on AB. OQ is perpendicular on BC and OR is perpendicular on AC. তিনটে perpendiculars আমরা draw করলাম. Now our proof. This will be proof. Now here we will start from these two triangles because this is our internal bisectors we know. So we will start from the triangle BOQ and BPO. In these two triangles, as OB is the internal bisector, so these two angles are equal. That means angle OBQ is equal to angle OBP because OB is the internal bisectors of angle B, and OP and OQ, these two are perpendiculars. That means these angles are 90 degrees. So angle OQB is equal to angle OPB is equal to 90 degree, and OB is the common side. So these two triangles are congruent by which rule? Angle side angle rule. So these two triangles are congruent by angle side angle rule. So as these two are congruent, so obviously we can say that OQ is equal to OP. কেন কি corresponding parts equal হয়? This is our number 1. Okay, similarly from these two triangles COQ and CRQ, in these two triangles OC is the internal bisector, so angle OCQ is equal to angle OCR, and these two are perpendiculars, so angle OQC is equal to angle ORC is equal to 90 degree, and OC is the common side. So we can say that these two triangles are congruent. So as these two are congruent, so obviously OQ is equal to OR. This is our number 2. And here this is our number 1 and this is number 2. So from 1 and 2 we can say that OP is equal to OR. কেন কি দুটোই OQ same, তো OP is equal to OR. This is our number 3. Now in these two triangles, that means in triangle APO and ARO, these two triangles OP and OR are perpendicular. That means angle OPA is equal to angle ORP is equal to 90 degree. And as these are 90 degree and OA is the common side, and from 3 we can say that OP is equal to OR. এই দুটো আমরা সেম প্রুফ করলাম, তাহলে অবভিয়াসলি দিস টু ট্রায়াঙ্গেলস আর কনগ্রুয়েন্ট। তো বাই হুইচ রুল? অ্যাজ দিস টু আর রাইট অ্যাঙ্গেল, সো দিস ইজ বাই right angle, hypotenuse and side property. So if these two triangles are congruent, then obviously their corresponding parts, that means these two angles, this one and this one, these two angles will be equal. That means angle PAO is equal to angle RAO. এই দুটো অ্যাঙ্গেল তখনই ইকুয়াল হবে if AO is the bisector of angle A. অ্যাঙ্গেল এ এর বাইসেক্টর যদি AO হয় তবেই কিন্তু এই অ্যাঙ্গেল দুটো ইকুয়াল হবে। তো অ্যাঙ্গেল দুটো যখন ইকুয়াল হচ্ছে, সো অবভিয়াসলি উই ক্যান সে দ্যাট AO ইজ দ্য বাইসেক্টর অফ অ্যাঙ্গেল A. দ্যাট মিন্স তাহলে তিনটে বাইসেক্টরই সেম পয়েন্ট দিয়ে পাস করছে। দ্যাট মিন্স দ্য ইন্টারনাল বাইসেক্টরস অফ দ্য অ্যাঙ্গেলস আর concurrent.